Hello RV people. All right, today the issue we're having is this propane is on an RV, and I've been smelling leak for the past 2-3 months every time I turn on the propane, and I wasn't sure where the leak was coming from. So today I tried to do some investigation, and I thought it was coming from the water heater, but it's not coming from the water. I don't smell. I opened the water heater from the door, right, and then checked, no smell coming from there. So, and then I sprayed here, I sprayed here, I sprayed around here, nothing. I don't see any bubble. So over here, this is a regulator. So over here there is a plastic cover that covers. Let me show you. This cover covers this area like that. This area is covered like that. So basically it's just two clips here. You just remove these two clips and then remove here. So now then I start to spray the connections on the inside here and here, right? Check this out. You see that? That's where my leak was coming from. Yeah, just sipping like that, and we smell it around here. Didn't know where it was. So you see that? Yeah, how about here? How about here? See that? Nothing on this side. So on this side, this is where the leak is coming from. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn off. Right now the propane is on, so I'm gonna turn it off. We're gonna turn this off, right? And then we're gonna remove this. And then we're gonna use this thread sealant for gas and propane, stoves or dryer. Wherever there is propane, you can use this pipe thread sealant. So we're gonna, on the male side, we're gonna dab this thread sealant and then tire it and test again. So hopefully that's fix the issue. If you're having the same kind of issue, definitely grab this pipe thread sealant. I'll put under the description the Amazon link. Yep, and then that fix your issue. All right, let's get to work. All right, so now as you can see, this is very loose. So first we loosen this from here, and then now you can have access. Otherwise this one you can just take it out like that. Yeah, so it's good to clean this up with a metal brush, and then let's dab this thread sealant, pipe thread sealant. Has to be specific for propanes, and then we're gonna screw it in, and we're gonna have to also clean a little bit here. All right, let's go. Yeah, it's good to use this kind of metal brush to clean these threads. All right, our thread is super clean. So now we're gonna put this around it. Yeah, I gotta put the camera down. Yeah, anyway, all around very good. All right, let's continue. All right, moment of truth. Let's check it out. I'm gonna turn it on. I left it maybe another 5 hours after I put the liquid tape. Now it's on. Let's see if we have any bubble. I hope not. Oh my goodness, see that? Nothing. See that, guys? No bubble. We fixed it. All right. So, yeah, how about this side? Nothing. So the leak is fixed. That's how you fix your RV or any propane leak from a on a propane tank. All right. Hope this helps. Ciao.